Hi, I'm Mona from Scholarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their products and services and scale their business online. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and merge duplicate leads in Zoho CRM. Sign into your Zoho CRM account and click Leads module. Click Leads name to find and merge its duplicate. Click More icon and select Find Emerged Duplicates. Select the duplicate records you would like to merge and click Next button in Merge Details page. Merge the records you want by clicking Merge button and a warning will pop up. Click on I understand Merge Now button. Congratulations! You have successfully found and merged duplicate leads in Zoho CRM. Try it out and let us know how it works. Share this with your team if you find it useful. Like this video and subscribe for more Zoho related tips.